welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about this beauty here. Oh my god, look how natural that part is. I'm super proud. So this wig is from Yolova. Yes, Yolova came through, y'all. This is Jerry Curl 13 by 4, 24 inches. Let me stand up. 24 inches. Let's go. 24 inches, and it's 180 density. So I'm gonna show y'all how full and thick it is. I did wet this hair. Yes, I did wet this hair and I put gel in it, and you guys will see why, because I did a lot of plucking. Whew, it got rough. But this is the final outcome and I am in love. So if you're interested in this wig, make sure you check my description box below. I have all the links that you need. I even got you a discount code. Your girl was looking out for you. So definitely check it out and make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a wig from Yolova. Ooh. Well, first, let's just talk about this packaging, honey. So cute. And I must say, the UPS threw this thing all around everywhere, and the packaging is so sturdy. Like, the box itself still stayed pretty put together. So shout out to Yolova for having great quality packaging. So this will be my first time opening this up with you guys, so I'm super excited. Hold on, let me get it together, y'all. So this is how you open it. Woo, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, I will have all the links in my description box below. Let's get to it. So in the packaging, so this is going to be a 24-inch Jerry Curl. Woo! I am super excited, y'all, because I know it's gonna be so bomb. So bomb. Oh my, I don't know what's up with me and curly lately, but baby, look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, nice. Let's look at this lace. You know, we gotta check the lace out. So this is a 13 by 7, of course. Okay. And it has already pre-plucked baby hairs. Nice. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nice. And it's 180 density. It feels so soft, y'all. So soft. I'm super excited to try this out. Oh, and it has lace in the bottom. Okay. Now it does have a comb here, adjustable straps. I'm sorry if y'all hear something. It's my cat. She's back there tearing something up. Paper, stop it. Disrespectful. We have 2 combs on the side. Yes, honey. And then I already showed you the comb in the middle. Let's look at the lace here. Yes. So you already know you might need to blend it a little bit. Let's see. Going off my... Dang, I can't even get it together. Hold on. The lace is a little thick too. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to blend it. They also included a wig cap, of course, and some lashes. These are so cute. Thank you so much. I'm excited to get started. Oh, and a little tweezers. Thank you, because I really thought these was mine, y'all. These are mine. I'm like, hold on, did I put this in the bag? Yo, thank you so much for sending over that. Let's get started. I want to at least try the wig on and see what it looks like. Y'all know how we do. So let's see. Okay, so the lace color is definitely off, but y'all know we can fix that. Here's the length. Let's look at the length real quick. Look how pretty it is. I love big hair, so y'all know I'm finna spruce this up to be huge. I love big hair. I love big hair. Yes, honey. We about to finesse this bad boy, and it's so soft too. It gives me like a natural feel. I love hair like this. Yeah, so I did tell y'all, so it's a Jerry Curl. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, and it has pre-plucked baby hairs. So let's just get to work, guys. We got to cut this lace. We already know that. We got to make sure that it blends. So let's do that.